Imagine stepping into a world where your dreams are nurtured from the very first hello. At Salem University, we believe that our initial interaction sets the tone for our students' entire academic journey. It's not just about enrollment, it's about building a lasting relationship. Advance your nursing career and make an impact in healthcare with Salem University's Master of Science in Nursing program. Designed for working nurses, the Master of Science in Nursing offers a 100% online experience, combining high-quality instruction with flexible distance learning technologies. This program prepares nurses to take on leadership roles in nursing administration or nursing education, equipping them with the confidence and expertise needed to excel in their chosen path. Students learn how to excel in teamwork, collaboration, and evidence-based practice while building the foundation for success as a registered professional nurse. Eligible students may also transfer up to 12 credits from prior nursing coursework, helping them progress more quickly toward their goals. Degree specializations. Specializations focus on two main areas: nursing administration and nursing education. Nursing administration. A degree in nursing administration prepares graduates to meet the complex challenges of healthcare management. Nurse administrators combine business knowledge with compassion, ensuring high-quality patient care while managing and coordinating nursing teams. Depending on the facility, nurse administrators may oversee a small group of nurses, multiple units, or an entire department or health system. The second specialization is nursing education. A degree in nursing education prepares graduates to teach the next generation of nurses and influence healthcare delivery in classrooms, online programs, or hospital settings. Nurse educators serve as both compassionate caregivers and dedicated teachers, preparing students to excel in patient care and professional practice. Program design. Accelerated and flexible. Designed by nurses for nurses, the program integrates experiential learning activities that can be completed on the job, in the workplace, or within the community. Fully online and asynchronous, students access course materials on their schedule with no mandatory login times. Completion timeline. The Master of Nursing can be completed in as few as 10 months, with a total of 30 credit hours delivered in a flexible 8-week course format. Core curriculum. All students complete the following core courses: theoretical basis and role development for advanced nursing, advanced research, inquiry, and evidence-based practice, healthcare policy, law, and ethics, leadership in healthcare environments, healthcare informatics and technology, and nursing capstone. Nursing administration specialization entails organizational behavior and workforce management, finance and economics for nursing leadership, complex health systems planning and resource management, and population health management, quality improvement, and safety. The nursing education specialization includes studies in curriculum and program development, instructional methods and strategies in teaching and learning, assessment, evaluation, and accreditation in nursing education, and educational technology. To enroll in the Masters of Nursing program, applicants must have a Bachelor's of Nursing degree from an accredited institution recognized by the United States Department of Education, a cumulative GPA of at least 2.5 on a 4.0 scale, and a current unrestricted RN license in the United States. The Master of Nursing program empowers nurses to advance into leadership or educational roles while maintaining their professional responsibilities. With flexible, fully online courses, hands-on experiential learning, and a curriculum designed for working nurses, graduates are prepared to shape the future of nursing, improve patient care, and lead with confidence. Thank you for your interest in Salem University. Please contact us with any questions.